Hi, what's up? In this episode, we're going to take a look at a Petrobras registration process. The process is very simple and we'll take you through it step by step. Oh, and it's also important to pay attention to your browser because our technology is only compatible with Firefox, Google, and Microsoft, so pay attention. When you type in www.petronect.com.br on the home page, you should click on Registration at Petrobras and then click on Want to Register. Immediately, a new window will open where you will fill in your details, origin, the CNPJ, or other tax documents from your country of origin. If there are any typing errors, red icons will appear next to the gap. So we ask you to correct these fields and send in your form. Again, if everything is ready, your user has already been created successfully and the message identifying your registration has been sent correctly. You will then receive a confirmation email, which you may be receiving right now, in your spam box, so don't forget to check it out. You will then proceed to the login and password area of the Petronect Portal. Just enter your username and password in the fields provided and go to the login area. For your first access, we will ask you to reset your password. The screen shows some tips on how to make your password a little more secure than usual. Once you've created it, just click on Modify. In the next step, we open the Portal Adhesion Agreement. We ask you to read it very carefully because this is the adhesion agreement. Is not accepted, it will not be possible to proceed with the registration process and the user will lose access to the Petronect Portal. The privacy policy will also be displayed to the user after accepting the terms. Adhesion. And on your first access to the portal, you must also confirm your details and indicate the contact number. For foreigners, we need you to click on the option I declare that I am a company supplier without a National Register of Legal Entities, CNPJ, and does not have a CPF. Once you have confirmed this information, you will be logged in for the first time. When you are in the portal, the first screen you will see is an explanation about the whole process. You will also see the warning screen, company ID, evaluation questionnaires, evaluation results, appointments, follow up your situation, and the failure with us. And now you just have to enjoy it. I'll be waiting for you in the next episode on Password Reset. Subtitles by the Amara.org community.